Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pyndonkam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kisabut ban Pynïap ke jingdon keti ke sonam bat ki paralok jongka ban Pynïap yu raja ragu vanci kila nang pau shu haka bagi pulet kila lai ban khendra hari Ïing sa jo Vishal Chauhan hai indur bat kila lap ye ki Jaiñ bagi Phong haka por bagi Pynïap yu raja haki thain sora nang ta ki pulet kila yok kurup ye ki mobile phone bagi sim card ya ke bagi di ki breu kila Thymmai shwa bikin dia ye ke kam khnang ban omdon balap dien ne yok sebut ya ke kam bagi le Kajing lap yakini ke Pynïap bagi jing Pynïap yu raja kede ke kam ke balap pelan janai bah. Shushu layo jing tep bagi pulit ki balik shaw ye ko sonam banwanra syam Meghalaya hidang don Kolkata bat kila ban poi slam seselong bat laru ban poi syadu ko por siteng miet.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.